Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
Jim, it looks like most of the rain has moved out of the area, at least for right now.
Well, at least for now, and we think for the most part during the overnight period too, Leslie. We're still looking at over here on the radar up in the northeastern corner of central Texas, but not in our viewing area right now. So that is the good news. Let's take a look, in fact, at the radar, and I'll show you that as of this hour, we don't have any precipitation in our immediate area. It's all up east of Waco, but I tell you what, they're a little concerned up there tonight because this is the area tonight where some very heavy, what we call core rains may develop with this low pressure system and produce potential flooding. Not New Braunfels, probably not Austin area. It would be near the center of the low, which has moved up into this area. Let me show you what happened last night when this rain was down over the New Braunfels area. This is the rainfall map, and I showed you this a moment ago, but it's worth looking at again. Just incredible. Rain just kept developing over and over in the same area because the low pressure area wasn't really moving. A foot of rain, a full 12 inches in rain gauges, very near and to the northwest of Greene and New Braunfels, causing the devastating flooding that you heard reports of earlier. Let's move a little bit to the north, and we'll see here around Austin, you saw 2+ inches down at the airport. We saw many 2 to 3 inch totals from South Travis County, much of Hays County, western Travis County. There were 3 to 4 inch totals actually in the Round Rock area. 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches up toward Georgetown. And then off to the northeast today, the rain was very, very heavy. Over here in Lee County, let's zoom into Milam County. In this area, too, especially just south of Rockdale, we saw some rainfall totals that might have been as much as 6 or 8 inches. Didn't get rain gauge verification of those, but a whole bunch. Now, we have a lot of rain gauge totals to show you. In fact, if you'll go to KXAN.com right now and under the weather tab, pick the weather blog. This is my blog posting for today. There's the current radar. This is the National Weather Service projection of possible rainfall overnight, maybe 1 to 3 inches. And then underneath that, here are rainfall totals from last night's storm, including some, 10 to 11 inches widespread around there in northeastern parts of Comal County, I should say. All right, let's go on to the current conditions here. We're at 77 in Georgetown, 82 in San Marcos, 82 in LaGrange, low 80s out in the hill country. It's steamy out tonight. It feels like it could rain again. Look at these dew points, 77 degrees. You don't see dew points very often that high. There's still a lot of moist air in place, and so we think we could get more rain even though we're kind of on the backside of that low pressure system that's moved away. Our skies are now cloudy. Our winds are 3 to 7 miles per hour. We had a high level of mold today and a medium count on grass, and in your allergy forecast for tomorrow, you'll keep the grass low and the mold probably high again. Real hot out in West Texas. Look at that, 99 at 9 p.m. in El Paso. But here's where the cooler weather is, where it's been raining. This is how it looked this morning in the water vapor imagery with that big blow-up of thunderstorms. Now the low shifting up to our northeast. It's centered over Limestone County tonight. That's up around Groesbeck. Those folks need to pay real close attention all night long because there could be some really intense rainfall as that's where the low has shifted now. And it'll continue to move on away and out of here. And so we could see additional rain tonight. It's going to be mainly east and northeast of Austin. But in the heat of the day, some flare-ups of showers or a few thunderstorms possible again tomorrow. After tomorrow, those rain chances will really start trending down. Temperatures tonight. They're your lows in low to mid-70s. Your highs tomorrow back up to 90 or above, I'm afraid, because we'll see a little more sun than we saw today. Some light rain, patchy rain could develop tonight. 74 the low. Tomorrow, 89. About a 40% chance that we could see some scattered showers or some thunderstorms develop again. And then on Friday, we'll drop it to a 20% chance. On Saturday and through the weekend, only isolated showers at best, and the temperature warming up to levels that are, more normal for July than June, really. Tomorrow morning on Austin News Today, start with us at 5 a.m., and you'll get weather and traffic together every 10 minutes.